Guys, I wanted to show you this retinol and collagen eye mask that I received from the company. I don't know about you guys, but as I've aged, I find that I need to keep up with my skincare routine, and this has become a part of it. I like these. They are made in the United States. They're tested for all different types of skin. I do have rosacea as well as allergies and sensitive skin. I just wanted to show you what it was like. It goes on like really smooth, and then the serum, the collagen, and the retinol is in there. So you leave it on for like a half an hour, and then you can like really absorb the rest of it into your skin. It definitely helps. It makes a big difference. You can use it on other parts. Like I'm using it on my hand right now. I find that I need to use retinol very often to help with fine lines and wrinkles. And also, I do have sensitive skin, like I said, and sometimes retinols do affect it and make it like harsh and feel not so great. This does not do that. So I definitely recommend this if you have sensitive skin, rosacea, and you're looking for a new retinol or collagen.